that in mind. Because again, like I mentioned to you before, there are very serious effects when it comes to masturbation for those of us who are Christians. Number one, listen carefully to this. It creates what we call conditioned arousal patterns. Let me explain that to you. Repeated solo stimulation, especially with specific visual stimuli like pornography. You want to masturbate, in most cases, those who masturbate pornograph. Is that correct? Those who do masturbation always do pornography, because sometimes you need a visual stimuli in order for you to be able to achieve masturbation. So repeated solo stimulation, especially with visual stimuli, may condition arousal to certain patterns not easily replicated in real life. So you find out now that you begin to achieve masturbation, you begin to achieve sex pleasure by means that you may not be able to get from your partner naturally. Please, this is very key. Some studies associate heavy porn-like masturbation with, watch this now, when you masturbate in such dimensions, this is what happens. You begin to later experience what they call delayed ejaculation, erectile difficulties in partnered sex, then you have reduced sexual satisfaction. All of these things come with it, but nobody will tell you. And this is research-based. This is a research done by Park et al. In 2016. He's a behavioral scientist. He reviewed it and discovered that pornography-induced sexual dysfunction arises when people give themselves to masturbation. The one that bothers me the most about masturbation is, watch this carefully. What does masturbation cause? It causes anxiety, depression, and distress. It influences it. Several studies, this is from studies now, several studies have shown that compulsive masturbation, which is masturbation that has gotten to a level now where you can no longer control it. It started with control. I do it 2-3 times a day, but then grows to a point whereby you can no longer control. You know why? Once you start with 1-2 times a day, it gives you pleasure. Don't forget, we talked about that at the beginning. Once I get pleasure, I want to go back to what gives me what? Pleasure. And when I get pleasure, I want to get more pleasure. Then I want to get deeper pleasure. I want to get higher pleasure. So there's always going to be a desire for more. Are you getting what we're saying here? So, and that's how it goes from normal masturbation to compulsive masturbation. Several studies have shown that compulsive masturbation and pornographic use correlate with higher anxiety, depression, and psychological stress. Can you believe that masturbation that is supposed to take away stress? Are you aware that whilst it may take a particular kind of stress away, look at what it brings into your life? Anxiety, depression, psychological stress. Grubbs et al. 2015 to 2019 said moral incongruence and distress are linked to porn addiction and masturbation. Other researches have shown association between problematic porn, masturbation, and depressive symptoms. These are researches. Have a look at your neighbor and say, we need to stop this thing. We need to stop it. We need to stop this thing. We need to stop it. Okay, let me share this one with you to shock you. Are you aware that masturbation too is linked to what they call prostate and urinary tract diseases? Yes. Prostate and urinary tract diseases. Masturbating may seem innocent and rewarding at the beginning, but it eventually becomes addictive. Listen to this. Frequent masturbation can easily cause bacteria to have the opportunity to spread from your hands to the genitalia, then multiply, leading to urinary tract infections, chronic prostasis with symptoms such as frequent urination during the day, cloudy urine, genital itching, discomfort, and so on. Frequent masturbation leading to blood in the urine is the rare case, but can happen if masturbation increases. The main cause is also due to the inflammation of the genitalia. So what does the Bible say about this? Colossians chapter 3 verse 5 to 6. Colossians chapter 3 verse 5 to 6. The Passion's translation. Colossians 3, 5 to 6. Can we all read this together? I want everybody to see this. It's very important. I just felt we need to address this matter. There's so many things we'll talk about at this singles meeting. But can we read this together? Let's read. 1 to go. Leave us one. Who has what? Died to every form. Every. Is masturbation a form of sexual sin? The Bible says you should do what to it? Take care of it. Die to it or live to it. Are you seeing why we Christians can't relate to the world? It's okay for the world. We are not arguing with them. Masturbation is, what do you expect them to do? For those who are not Christians, what do you expect? How are they supposed to take care of themselves? But we have the superior way. We have Christ to rely on. We don't live in the same kingdom. That's why they steal, we don't. That's why they oppress people, we don't. That's why they use people and dump people, we don't use people. We are of two different kingdoms. Our kingdom is not their kingdom. How they live is not how we live. And the church needs to draw a clear line and say, listen to me, this is not how believers should live. Are you getting what I'm saying? Watch this carefully. Let's read it together. 1 to go. Live as one. Go ahead. Who has died to every form of sexual sin and what? Impurity. live as one who has died to diseases and desires for what? Forbidden things. Die to them. All right? Forbidden things, including what? The desires for wealth, which is the essence of what? Idol worship.